Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link PayPal to TikTok on iPhone. First, this is useful if you want to receive payment, withdraw, earning or buy ads and promotion on TikTok. For that, open the TikTok app on your iPhone, tap on profile in the bottom right corner, then tap on three lines menu in the top right corner, then go to setting and privacy. Scroll down and tap balance or creator tool. This option may look slightly different between depending on your account type or reason. Tap withdraw, earning or payment method or create a fund. Now tap apply. After that, choose PayPal from the list of payment options. You will be directly or directed to PayPal. Log in using your email and password, then approve the connection. Once approved, you will be sent back to TikTok automatically. Check to make sure PayPal is now listed as your link payment method. That's it. Now your PayPal account is connected to TikTok. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.